designs, high-quality materials, and understated elegance, Prada is a brand that will continue to be a fashion icon for years to come. Miuccia Prada's leadership and vision for the brand have also had a significant impact on the fashion industry as a whole. She is known for challenging traditional gender roles and pushing the boundaries of what is considered fashionable. In the 90s, Miuccia introduced a line of menswear that challenged traditional notions of masculinity. The collection featured oversized jackets, skirts, and unconventional fabrics, such as leather and nylon. The collection was a departure from the boxy suits and traditional menswear of the time, and it helped to redefine what was considered fashionable for men. Miuccia has also been a vocal advocate for diversity and inclusion in the fashion industry. She has been outspoken about the lack of diversity in the fashion industry and has worked to promote diversity in her own brand. Prada has launched initiatives to promote diversity, such as the Diversity and Inclusion Advisory Council, which aims to increase representation and inclusivity in the brand's hiring practices. In addition to her work in fashion, Miuccia is also a philanthropist and art collector. She is a member of the board of directors of the Venice Biennale, and she has been a major supporter of contemporary art and architecture. Miuccia's interests in art and culture have influenced her designs, and she often draws inspiration from these fields. Miuccia's contributions to the fashion industry have been recognized with numerous awards and accolades. She has been named one of the most powerful women in the world by Forbes, and has received the Legion of Honor from the French government for her contributions to the arts. In conclusion, Miuccia Prada's leadership and vision have helped to establish Prada as one of the most iconic luxury fashion brands in the world. Her unconventional approach to design, commitment to diversity, and philanthropic work have made her a trailblazer in the fashion industry. Prada's legacy will continue to inspire future generations of designers and fashion lovers alike. One of the key factors that have contributed to Prada's success is its commitment to quality and craftsmanship. The brand is known for using the finest materials and employing skilled artisans to create its products. Prada's focus on quality is evident in every aspect of its products, from the fabrics used to the stitching and finishing. Prada's commitment to quality has also extended to its production processes. The brand has implemented sustainable practices in its production processes, such as using eco-friendly materials and reducing waste. Prada has also been a leader in the use of recycled materials in its products, such as recycled nylon. Another factor that has contributed to Prada's success is its ability to evolve with the times. The brand has remained relevant by staying on top of fashion trends and incorporating new technologies into its products. For example, Prada has used 3D printing technology to create intricate designs and custom-fit garments. Prada's ability to adapt to changing times is also reflected in its marketing and branding strategies. The brand has embraced social media and digital marketing, using platforms such as Instagram to engage with consumers and promote its products. Prada has also collaborated with artists, musicians, and celebrities to create buzz around its products and expand its reach to new audiences. In recent years, Prada has faced challenges, including declining sales and criticism for its lack of diversity on the runway. However, the brand has responded to these challenges by implementing new strategies and initiatives to address these issues.